Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit deeper about wheel bearing because many inquiry getting and ask how we going to check bad wheel bearing, how we going to change wheel bearing, what's the cause for the bad wheel bearing, right? Because if vehicle has a bad wheel bearing, when you go like a 30 miles, it's starting like a 60-70 miles with bit high speed, then you can hear like a like a humming noise. Then gradually after that, that's one coming to the 30 miles per speed, 20 miles per speed. Because if you hearing like a humming noise around 60-70 miles, it's very difficult to identify like this. We have to be patient until gradually it's coming for a slow speed. Basically this car still around 40 mile speed humming, but not 30, not 20. 20 very smooth, 30 very smooth, but 40 onward up it's getting humming noise. If you have like that problem, you need to jack up the car like this. You can free spin the wheel. Then after that you need to spin the wheel. When you spin the wheel, you can hear humming noise. That's a first step. We can identify vehicle has a bad wheel bearing. Then after that you can hold 3 and 9 the wheel, shake and have a look how is your feeling, because this one doesn't have any feel because still this one making noise while it's high speed. And then you can hold 12 and 6 and shake the wheel like this, then you can feel to your hand, but this one doesn't have. And one more thing you can do, you can hold inside shock absorber. You can hold inside shock absorber like this. Then after that you need to spin the wheel. While you spin the wheel, you can feel to your finger. I feel to my thumb little bit like a vibration surround that wheel area. That's mean 90% I am going to say this wheel bearing faulty. We'll see what happened to the other side. I'm going to spin the wheel. See, only the shoe noise. Apart of that, no any humming noise. That means this side wheel bearing good. But however, customer need to do both side. Then I'm going to show you how we going to change this side using my manual tools like a roadside. Then other side I'm going to use my bench press and do the wheel bearing that side. Right, first step we need to remove the tire. Make sure lower the parking brake or hand brake, otherwise you can't remove the drum. Right, after that we need to remove this cap, dust cap. Right, after that we need to remove this inside bolt. It's I think 30. Right, and I'm going to use my breaker bar, just tight for a turn, then after that remove. Right, then after that it's braked. Right, now we can remove drum. If it struggle to come out, just tap and wiggle. It will come out. If it not, use flat screwdriver, little bit give the pressure to out and hammer to outwards like this. Now it's loose and wiggle and remove. Right, nice and out. Now shoes okay. I'm not going to touch the shoes, but however I'm going to clean shoes and clean inside surface. You can see a lot of dust here, so I'm going to clean when I'm going to install. Right, then after that you can see in the outside it's come with the ABS ring. This is the ABS ring. When you're going to install new ABS ring, make sure not damage around that area. If it damage, that means your ABS light illuminate at your dashboard. That's why if you not do it properly this job, that's why the end of the story, and the sometime wheel making again horrible noise. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to fly out this ABS string. I'm going to line something here and slightly hammer, then it's out. Right, after that I'm going to leave it that one as it is. The next step, we have to find out there is a circlip hold the bearing. You can see inside here, this is the circlips inside here. I'll show you from here. This is the clip I'm talking about. We have to find out, is it this side or this side. Now I can see it's this side. What we have to do, we have to remove that this circlip out. Then after that, bearing need to come out from this side, because 2 weeks ago one of our mate done the nice bearing job. He removed the circlip from this side and he pushed bearing towards in. Then after that he ending with broken inner. Basically when you remove the circlips, definitely that bearing need to come through that side. Keep in your mind, don't going to mix up. It easily can mix up. Then when you're going to remove that circlips, we need a like this tool. Sometimes it's too hard for your tool. Just try to squeeze in. If it not squeeze in, don't going to give too much pressure for this tool. What you have to do, take a flat screwdriver, hold to the end and little bit hammer. While you hammer, this inside spin going to be spinning. Once it's spinning, then you can easily remove that clip. Because one side bit stuck, right? Yeah, because you can see rust. Because of the rust, it sees, right? However, it's out now. I'm going to tip upside down and push from here. I'm going to use, because even if you have a like that tool, this bit handy, then you can put suitable sleeve here like this, and you can use this tool. But however, I'm not going to use in this tool. I'm going to show you how we going to use just hammer and chisel and do the job. Then if you want, you can buy this tool. I'll put the link below, or if you not, you can use bench press. It's very easy. However, first of all, I'm going to show you how we're going to do like an old school way. It's take a time, but it's durable. Right, find the socket, and I'm going to use it, my copper hammer, otherwise this end going to be damaged. Right, you have to little bit do it harder. It will move. I can see slightly start to moving. Yeah, I can see now it's moved. You have to use little bit your male strength to like this job. Right. Right, nearly there. You can see, nearly there. Right, it came out. Now stuck my right. Okay, it's out. Now we have to do opposite way. Take a new bearing out. Oh, bit naughty. New bearing came without ABS string. Luckily, I didn't damage this one. After that, we are going to clean a little bit inside and compare new bearing and old bearing. Identically same here. It's same. Now we don't have a side to this bearing. We can do this side or we can do other side. It doesn't matter. But normally I'm happy to take a letter top side, this side, like this. Right. After that, what I'm going to do, apply little bit grease, make it life easier. Right, just install. And after that, I'm going to use old bearing, leave it top of that, and I'm going to hammer side by side, this side, like that, crisscross pattern to until it settle down. You can see it's nearly in. See, it's in. I'm going to install this clip. Make sure nice and in. Right, now bearing in, and make sure install this ABS ring, otherwise your ABS light going to be on. Make sure no damages surround the ring. Yeah, see, nice and clean, no damage. Just leave it like that, and I'm going to use wood piece to right. Make sure all way in. Right, it's nice and in. Right, okay. While you open the drum, better to clean surround surface. Don't going to press brake cleaner to this cylinder, and after that I'm going to apply little bit grease surround this shaft and clean inside the drum. Right, right. So any noise anymore. Make sure it's tight enough. Yeah, nice and tight. Make sure install this cap. Right, after that need to install tire. When you're going to install tire, I'll give the nice tip. Take your wheel nut, install to the socket, push through the hole, it's come out. Then after that you need to lift up and lined up for one groove here. Then after that it's easy. Hold up, see through the here. Now it's lined up. Just do the hand tight. Right. Yeah. Nice and spinning, no any noise anymore. Right, I'm going to do the other side, and I'm going to show you how we're going to do with the bench press that one. I'm not going to show you how we're going to remove the wheel, remove the drum. You know already what I done for other side. Then once I remove, I'll come back to you. Right, I'll show you now how am I going to use bench press for this job. It's going to be very easy and much quicker. Right. Start to move now. Right. It's out. No need to hammer and struggle. Now this one, tip upside down and make sure I didn't remove the ABS sensor. It's still inside. Make sure it won't touch anywhere. However, I'm going to leave something underneath to make sure it won't touch the metal. Otherwise this ABS ring going to be damaged. Right, leave it like that. Right, now apply a little bit grease inside. Apply bit grease bearing and letters. You can see letters. I'm happy to leave it up, and I'm going to use all bearing. Then I'm going to press. When it's feeling to your hand it's a bit tight, then you can stop. Right, I feel into my hand, it stopped. Then after that you can stop. Right, this one nice and easy come out. Right, then install circlip. Right, basically it's come with the new nut. However, I'll forget to install to the other side. I'll do in a minute. I'm going to install to the new side because I didn't see it's already here. I didn't see. I'm going to install in a minute after this job. Right, all in. Then after that I'm going to clean the brake shoes. I'm going to install all cap. It's when I compare new one and old one bit solid. And I'm going to install old one. I'm going to install the tire. Now you know how to find out faulty wheel bearing, how to remove and install old school way, and using bench press, or if you want you can use that tool also well. I'll put the link below. However, wherever you can do the job now, you know what to do and how it's going on. And also this system you can apply to many cars, similar way, similar method. Thank you. See you in the next video.